Okay, this is a whole box. It's like 120 pieces of these a little over 3" by 3" castor oil patches, and they have adhesive on the back of them, and there's like a whole bunch of them, and they come in these little packs of, I don't know how many per, like probably about 10 or so per. And I opened this one here, and you can see there's just a couple of them, and they got the adhesive on the back, and there's the rest of them in the little packet there. But what you do is you take the adhesive off, and then on the back of the patch where that little cottony space is there, you're going to just get a little eyedropper or something and just put your castor oil on it. I'll show you here. So we have our bottle of castor oil here, and what you do is you just keep putting some on here until you get it saturated but not dripping. And then you've got the adhesive here. You can see it sticking to my fingers now. You got the adhesive there, and then you're going to put it on your skin wherever it is that you want it to be. And some people put it over their belly button and over just different body parts if you're having some issues in different places. And you're going to keep putting castor oil on here until, like I said, it gets saturated but not dripping. And then you're just going to leave it on your body part for wherever it is that you need the castor oil treatment for, in the beginning, less time, but as time goes by, as you use it more and more, you can leave it on for longer periods of time, but anywhere from 10-15 minutes in the beginning to, 45 minutes or an hour longer. And then more often, you can do it, more days in a row, more often. In the beginning, maybe every other day or something like that, but then you could do it like every day and even a couple times a day as you go on. But yeah, so that's what these are really nice, because they're the self-adhesive ones. And like, this is a really nice box because it's got so many in it. It's got 120 pieces in it. So yeah, thanks for sending that, because that's going to be super duper healthy or super duper easy for us to use and be able. I like the fact that they're adhesive, because some of the castor oil things that you have to use to apply the castor oil, they're definitely not self-adhesive and disposable. So yeah, this is going to be really, really handy to use. So yeah, we've got our castor oil, we got our little patches, and I'll put more on there before I use it and stuff. So yeah, good stuff. Thanks for sending these.